Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So today we are going to go ahead and get started with the winner for the All Sunsets month membership. So let's head over to the random comment generator.
And we re-recorded, well, we're re-recording, so this actually is not rigged in any way. We don't want to screw this guy over because he actually did win. We just didn't have the audio recording.
So congratulations to Madpan Animation, who commented, you can name it Pawsin, Frostiva, Melty Paws, Dogger, Good Dog, iPaws, Ice Wolf, or etc. Thank you guys so much for your suggestions.
For the dog ice cream.
For
Context.
my dog ice cream, suggestions. Today we will be looking at, well, we'll do a sales update real quick. Overall, I've been making pretty consistent sales, still in the same niche of the cryptocurrencies. That's been selling pretty well still. And I've pretty much maxed out all my slots with cryptocurrency stuff in the last
$100 in 7 days.
Yeah, not
pretty
bad.
Darn good.
I know my dog is getting a new outfit for sure. So today we will be talking about what color products sell the best and what style based on our sales. Because I didn't think about it until the other day when you said you should upload that to Royal Blue because it sells really well. I never submit my products for Royal Blue.
Yeah, so you can actually, like, if you have Pretty Merch Pro, which there's a link in the description.
Link in the description.
You can use the analytics and the products tab. So what we did is we came to the analytics tab, we sorted by all time, and then we set the marketplace to United States, clicked analyze sales, because if you're selling in other markets, by the way, you can click those, but we're only in the US on this account. And down here,
so you guys can see that, of course, standard t-shirts sell the best. Coming in second, at least for me, was the premium t-shirts, V-neck, and pullover hoodie. And those are the 4 product types that I typically upload to anyways. Unless I have a good selling design, then I will try and diversify it and put it on pretty much everything. And it helps me max out my slots.
For some reason in Halloween, I mean, we were open about the niche that we went after, right? Yeah. And for whatever reason, it's like it was a saturated niche. We weren't early to it, but the V-neck took off, you know what I mean? And then all of a sudden we were getting sales in the V-neck. So, I mean, who cares? The sale's a sale. So it was good that we made it available on a V-neck.
Yeah. And so for colors, of course, my top color is black with a 51%, white, then heather gray, then heather blue, then royal blue. So you guys can see it's pretty high up there. And I never really upload to royal blue. So it being that high up with as many like listings as I don't put for royal blue is pretty good, I would say. So I'm going to start taking my best-selling designs and re-uploading them solely on Royal Blue. That way you can stand out in the thumbnail.
You're going to do that?
Well, because I can't get it to set to no black default if I click 2 colors.
Right. If you make black available, it will not.
Even when
it's
I make
default
black,
to black
not available for whatever reason, it happens to me sometimes. Where
really?
It still defaults to black. So I had to do it individually. But let's take a look at yours.
All right, yeah, I pulled my analytics here. So if you wanted to see product types that I sell, this is a breakdown. I'm on about 20,000 sales. So standard t-shirt is always my priority. You can sell those all day. So then eventually I got smart, started offering them as premium as well because I had been through 1 year where Amazon merch started running out of the standard shirts, like in various sizes and color combinations. It was around Christmas, I think 2018. So you learn your lesson and you start enabling your ones that sell. I mean, at a minimum, the ones that sell, put them on premium shirts.
Yeah.
You know, and plus premium, it stands out a little bit. You know, it's not like just Amazon merch products dominate Amazon. You can sell FBM, but there's a lot of merch products.
Yeah.
And people start seeing, like, it's like pattern recognition. Their eyes start to glaze over seeing that same shirt with different designs. Then they see a premium and it's like, oh, that's different. So I've been utilizing premiums more. I know you've been crushing it with the premiums lately, so.
Yeah, with a hefty markup on my part.
$6.75 premium royalty per sale. You have to tell that story in a different video.
Yeah.
You do a short one. Pullover hoodie, though, 6% of my sales. And after that, it's like 1%. I'm not really prioritizing the other stuff. So, all right. And then you can see my colors here. Breakdown of my sales by color. So for me, bestseller, you had 51% black. Mine's 48% black. Maybe it's because I'm a little bit lower because I enabled more colors or something.
Yeah, probably.
Then I got heather gray in second, navy third, royal blue fourth, white fifth, heather blue sixth. Yeah, and then from there it's like 3%, 2%.
So you're the kind of person that does upload to royal blue more, which makes sense. So it is number 4 for you. Like these 2 colors are before.
I always thought royal blue looked cool, but I guess I don't know.
I think it looks cheap. But that's just me.
What do I know?
So don't go based off of just your preferences. Kind of look at the market, scope it out. And this is a great way of getting a feel for what is the top, even just the top 5
We got to
sellers.
like crowdsource it, I feel like, because, like Amazon doesn't tell us. You know?
Well,
they tell us by making black the default, they tell us that sells best.
Yeah, absolutely.
But like, yeah, they don't tell us the other.
But
colors.
you've made enough sales to where it can be diluted over
20,
these colors.
yeah,
so 6% for the royal blue is pretty good, guys. I'm going back, taking my products and uploading them to royal blue because I don't have very many with royal blue. So that's a great trick to know to like keep filling your slots if you don't have enough time. But overall, this was really helpful for me. I'm going to keep your little chart so I can see what colors to prioritize.
And then also, just because I was prepping this video, I got confused, thought we were going to talk about something else. Might as well just point out, too, that, like, the color schemes you pick, tailor them to black if you're going to select black.
Yeah.
If you're going to not select black, you can be strategic, and a lot of the best sellers actually do this. I got a couple examples queued up. Their color selections were specifically for one color of the shirts. You know, like this one's not going to look good on a lot of colors. Yeah. So like they probably only picked that slate gray. Here they're doing it again. And here they're doing it again. So you can be specific if you're not going to select black. If you're going to select black, you know that it's going to default to black. So it needs to be optimized for black. You know, but otherwise you can optimize for specific shirt colors, but just make sure you only click them.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's hauls. Make sure to click the subscribe button because next video we will be showing if I start to move some of my designs over to an Etsy seller account and how to integrate that with Printful and the print-on-demand software. So let's hope it works out. Let's
fully
hope
automated.
I get tiered up in merch because for all of you guys that did get tiered up, congratulations. I unfortunately did not, but we will see next time.
Yeah, just so you guys know, she didn't get tiered up and she had all slots filled and had about 140 sales, and for some reason didn't get included in the wave. So
unfortunately, but maybe next go round, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching.